Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 30 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the security. Now let's scroll down again in order to find encryption and credentials, and as you can see, almost at the very bottom we've got clear credentials option. So let's tap on it. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, so just tap on OK. If you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then enter it in order to confirm the whole step. And as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully. As you can see, you cannot tap on this option again, which means that for sure we just removed the certificate. So actually this is it. This is how to remove credentials in your Motorola Edge 30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.